Hey there! Yeah, welcome to my blog. Hey, good look, huh? Yeah, we're in March now, so I'm going into my summer look. Well, I've gotten a new order in, and this is through my HempWorks company, and welcome to Hemped Up. This is the HempWorks Relief Tropical Rub. And of course, we're all getting older, and we're all looking for pain relief. And if you can get pain relief without having to use over-the-counter brand medication, because it's got to go through, most of it's got to go through your digestive system and through your kidneys and stuff. And a yellow, kind of yellow, kind of a yellow tint to that. And I just got over a tennis elbow here. My elbow here. I was using another brand. I had using another video there. And it appears to work okay. This has got a different chemical compound to it. The other stuff I was using, you see, no more than 2 or 3 times a day, putting it on your infected area, should I say. Dries up pretty quick too. What I saw in this that I didn't see in the other stuff was coconut oil is in this one. Sativa. Cannabis sativa seed oil, which wasn't in the other one. Arnica Montana flower extract was not in the other one. Boswellia serrata extract was not in the other one. Aloe Barbara Benesis leaf juice was not in the other. This is using a lot of flower or leaf extract in here. Still got menthol in it. The other one had in it. Coconut, Cocos Nesephia was not in the other one either. Lecithin. There's a lot of real natural stuff in this. It got ketrol alcohol, stericyl alcohol. There's a couple alcohols in it, but it's got a lot of leafy additives to this one compared to the other that I was using. That's something cool. And this is by Tropical Rub with pure CBD oil. 80 milligrams hemp derived CBD. So, check that out on my Hemped Up. You can also find can also find it in the description down below. You can find my HempWorks links. So there we go. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next. Oh yeah, I just started.